Hi everyone! Here's my quick and easy recipe for some seriously spicy basil chicken rice cakes. You're really in for a treat with this one. So let's get cooking! This dish moves really quickly, so first let's make the sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, mix, and set aside. Over high heat, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then 4 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, 2 julienne serrano chili peppers, 5 slices of julienne ginger, and half a sliced onion. And you want to saute all of that for 2 minutes. Next, add 1 pound of thinly sliced chicken breast or tenders and saute that with everything else for 3 more minutes. Give your sauce a couple of swirls and you want to add the sauce. Add half a julienne green pepper, half a julienne red pepper, and 1 cup of trimmed green beans and saute for another 3 minutes. And here comes the best part. Add 2½ cups of TTEOK or rice cakes and you want to mix that all in and saute for your final 2 minutes. Make sure everything is thoroughly coated and then you're going to turn off the heat and then fold in your 1 cup of thinly sliced basil leaves. Alright everyone, our spicy basil rice cakes are now ready. This smells so delicious. I saved a little pretty basil top here for you. You can garnish that. And let's try this. Woo! Okay. So chewy, so good, and so spicy. Here you go.